WBUY stock analysis and WBUY stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'll show you whether this thing is a buy or not for me. I'm generally just going to stick to my edge that I've refined over 48,000 videos over 5 years. Why? Well, because that's what's worked and what I've refined after overlooking almost 50,000 videos of data. Clearly, it's all over the place. You know, 5 minutes is not that volatile. Even 30 minutes is not that volatile. Not moving a lot. It's just fine. Dude, not everything's supposed to be a buy. You know, a lot of people are wrong, man. I mean, sometimes moves might go without me, and that's totally fine. Unless I really see the price giving me the rules that I want to see and that I've refined, then I'm totally fine even on missing out moves. Because I know at the end of the day, if I stick to the data set of rules, I'll be fine. I mean, that's really what trading is all about, man. Like, truly, I mean, for me, this is not a bullish market whatsoever, just going down. I'm talking about we have to break about 193 for me to pull the trigger up, you know what I mean? So, no stress. In the meantime, I'll just be waiting. What about the downside moves? Well, if we do see the distribution, then we're going down. But I would much rather be a part of the long side views, right? But now, Webuy is not a buy for me, at least. But if you want to get free sauce, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.